Get ready for some sizzling, marbled, unbelievably delicious steak. Navigating steak cuts can feel intimidating, but in the next 5 minutes, we're cracking the code to perfectly cooked steak every single time. Steak, a symbol of luxury for centuries, is now within your reach. So grab your tongs and let's dive into the details. Let's start with the filet mignon, ribeye, and New York strip. The filet from the loin is incredibly tender. The ribeye from the rib section boasts incredible marbling for maximum flavor. And the New York strip delivers a firm bite with superb taste. Each cut's position influences texture and taste. Sear the ribeye hot in cast iron, while pan-fry the filet. That intramuscular fat, that's marbling, nature's tenderizer and flavor bomb. Now get ready to explore some slightly wilder territory. Flavor doesn't have to break the bank. Consider sirloin, flank, and skirt steaks for incredible meals on a budget. Sirloin is perfect for grilling. Flank soaks up marinades easily. Skirt, with its intense flavor, makes it great for fajitas and stir-fries. For these cuts, marinades and high-heat searing are key. Slice against the grain. While not as tender as the filet, ribeye, and New York strip, these steaks deliver massive flavor. With the right technique, you'll be amazed at the juicy tenderness you can achieve. Beyond the usual, discover the hanger, flat iron, and tri-tip. The hanger, near the diaphragm, has intense flavor. The flat iron, from the shoulder, is tender and marbled. The tri-tip emerges from the bottom sirloin. These cuts offer fantastic value. They're less common due to the butchering skill required. These cuts demand attention, each best brought to life with precise techniques. The USDA grades steaks as prime, choice, and select. Prime steaks have serious marbling. Choice is still delicious, while select is leaner. Your butcher offers expertise that supermarkets often lack, while online offers variety. When choosing, look for vibrant color, fantastic marbling, and substantial thickness. Consider ethical options. Seek out local grass-fed options when possible, as they're often tastier and kinder to the planet. That's a tour of the world of steak. From ribeye to filet mignon, you can now navigate any butcher shop. Experiment, explore different cuts, and discover your personal favorite. Go forth, create, and conquer your craving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your steak triumphs with us.